Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, of course, and today I'm very excited because I wanted to try out the hot glue makeup trend. I thought it would be really fun. I saw Cut Creaser start this trend on TikTok. I've been following her for a very long time, and I thought I would give the trend a try. I'm not a makeup artist by any means, so I just thought it would be fun to do something different. So yeah, if you want to learn more about the hot glue trend, please be sure to check out Cut Creaser. She has a TikTok and Instagram, I believe even a YouTube channel. Give her a look-see. Now, I'm very excited, but full disclosure, I did make the hot glue shapes and colored them, painted them, put the color on them way beforehand because I knew it was going to take a lot of time to do the shapes, especially since I don't have a steady hand. It took so many tries. It's a lot harder than it looks, okay? Before we get into it, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'd really appreciate it. Oh, and before I forget, pretty sure I'm gonna upload this too late. I did apply to join the Sephora squad. I doubt I'll get in or chosen, but I thought, why not? I think it'd be something cool to try out. All you need is your email address and some nice words. I'll leave a link in the description and comment section below. That way you can just click on it and leave me a testimonial. I'd really appreciate it. So now let's get into the video. Okay, so I did the hot glue shapes. I have a little tool, some eyelash glue, and this little palette. So what I'm gonna do is just put the glue on the palette and then take this little dot tool and put it on the back, and then just start applying the glue on my face. Also, I don't have chrome pigment or eyeshadow to put on the hot glue, so I chose a gold and a shimmery red. I don't even know what color would be, red or burgundy. I believe they're just shimmers. Yeah, I use this gold and then this I don't even know what color that is, plum, burgundy, I don't know. I use these two. Go ahead and do it. I don't think that I had the proper pigments to do this, but oh well, who cares? I'm having a very bad hair day, if you can't tell. It's not going well. Here's the first shape. Here goes. Oh God, no. That is hanging on by a thread. All right, hate that. Hold on. Let's try this again. This is good. Okay. It kind of looks like a little snail. It has a little pokey thing. Okay, that's on there better. Should I do a gold one on the other side? I'm gonna try to make it symmetrical, even though it's not going to be symmetrical at all. Yeah, I think this is the best. Oh God. I feel like, oh God, that's so not symmetrical. I feel like there has to be an easier way to do this, but as usual, I like making things harder for myself. Yeah, that's not symmetrical at all. Hold on. Other people have done it with the chrome. That's what I've seen so far, and it looks super cool, futuristic, like cyber. Looks really cool. This, I don't know what this is, but it is fun. So we're gonna continue. I need more glue. Yeah, it was like I had to do, I think, about 3 coats of the eyeshadow on the glue because I think the glue was just too clear. I don't know how to explain it, and it wasn't taking the color well. I feel like maybe I could use my, what's it called? Oh God. Oh, that's just staying right there. My lash. Oh no, that looks like caca. Oh God. You could, this thing, the lash thing, but I feel like I'll squeeze too tight. Oh, I don't like how that went on there because now it's gonna have that glue. I'm gonna wait for it to dry and then like hold it down and then see if I can take off the glue. I'm not moving it. I don't want to move it. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Yeah, but Cut Creaser is so talented, inspiring. So yeah, I saw this and I had to do it. It just took me so long to do because I had a lot of stuff going on in my personal life. But better late than never. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, I don't know. That's definitely not symmetrical. Oh, no, that's not that bad. Okay, okay, so far so good. Actually looks, oh, let me not smile. I feel like it's gonna fall off if I smile. Definitely not symmetrical. But oh well, my face isn't symmetrical, so that's fine. Oh God. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't think the I don't want to laugh. I don't want it to fall off. I don't think this looks really good. I don't know how I did that. I highly doubt it's gonna look that good when I do the other side. Oh, the glue dried very clear, so I think we're good. Oh gosh, this is gonna look like so good. You know what? We're gonna be delusional and lie to ourselves. It's literally what I do every day of my life. Is lie to myself. Anyways, okay. Okay, not bad. I don't think that's gonna stay though. Hold on. I'm actually impressed. So far, so good. And I'm sorry about my chapped lips, y'all. I'm so sorry. I swear, I promise you. I put chapstick on. I drank water like a crazy person. My lips stay chapped, okay? I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I thought the lip gloss would do a better job at hiding it, but that lip gloss, it ain't popping. We're gonna continue. Oh, my squeaky chair. Calling me out. Anyways, we're gonna ignore everything I just said and did. So I have some cool shapes left. I don't know which one I'm gonna use though. I think these two are the most identical, so I'm gonna use these two. Like y'all can see. Oh no. How am I gonna, oh no. No, that's, oh, wait. Go like this. I think that's too close, but oh well. Okay, it doesn't look great, but it doesn't look bad. Should I put some more shapes? No. That's it. I'm stopping there. Sometimes less is more. Don't listen to me. Am I talking too low? Who cares? It's too late. Sorry. I am very happy about this and excited. I just feel like I can't smile because it's all gonna pop off my face. I swear I'm enjoying myself. Maybe I'll put some gold on my waterline and I'm gonna do my lashes and I'll be right back. All done. Oh, wait. Calm down. All done. What do you guys think? I love it so much. It looks really good. It looks really cute. I love it so much. I thought it was gonna look bad. I really did. I didn't think it would come out looking the way it does. I really hope you guys like it because I love it. I didn't do it justice though. There are plenty of talented makeup artists and other creators who have done amazing looks. So if you guys like this, like y'all need to just deep dive into other hot glue gun makeup looks. I'm very proud of myself. It's not symmetrical. The more that I look at it, we gonna be nice to ourselves. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed going through this hot glue makeup journey with me. I really had fun doing it. I swear I have fun doing it. I just don't want to make very expressive expressions because I don't want them to pop off because I'll cry because I'm sensitive like that, or dramatic like that, or just very easily frustrated and will cry over anything. Yes, okay. Don't forget to leave me a testimonial if it's not too late. I'm not sure. I really love you guys so much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.